You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
The first thing you may notice is the recycling schedule has been removed. It's right on the side of the microwave. Yes, we're going back to a frozen pizza that I reviewed before. It got a grade of 2.5 pepperonis on my 0 to 5 Polly Detmers pepperoni scale rating, 0 being the worst, 5 being the best. I got a lot of feedback saying you didn't do it right, and every time I would reply, I followed the instructions. Well, I did kind of like the alternative method of cooking, and I have claimed I always try to do the best method of preparation in making these frozen pizzas. So I decided to revisit this Buddy's Detroit style pizza, and we're gonna put it in the oven before I even turn the oven on. I'm going to set the oven for 425 degrees. According to instructions, they want you to cook it from 22 to 28 minutes, or until it looks right. I think I did it 26 minutes. Put it in the oven, and now it's time to wait. She done. Let's take a look. First I'll shut it off. Take a look. Oh yeah. Does have a little bit more color than the first time that I made it. Does that mean it's better? Probably, maybe. The fried crust is probably going to look a little bit better. I'm going to let this thing cool off. Definitely has more color, but this looks like still looks kind of dead. Presentation wise, it's not real pretty. Let's take a look at the crust. A little hot. It's okay. I'm doing this for you, the best subscribers on YouTube. Doesn't really look like a fried crust. It looks like a baked crust, which it is. But oven fried, I should say, is what it should be. And let's get out the old pizza cutter, cut it up, and I'll share my thoughts. I'm not going to eat much of this because a lot of calories in this stuff, a lot of carbs, of course. Whatever is left here after I have this piece, I'm going to throw the rest in the freezer. And maybe have some of it later, whatever. I just don't want that many carbs. Looks good. Let's give it a try. Got some darkness underneath. Yeah, not a whole lot of fried effect on the crust. Could I have cooked it longer? Yeah. What is it, maybe a minute or two?
You're watching the Polly Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Still, really heavy and dense. I see a piece of pepperoni there. Let me get that bite. Let me get that crust. Actually, I don't even like it as much as I did the first time. Just kind of one dimension in flavor. Not a whole lot of flavors coming out of there. It's like eating to me it's just like eating a stuffed crust with no pizza. I'm going to lower the score on the Polly Detmers pepperoni scale rating. I'm going to give it 2 pepperonis. This frozen pizza is not even made in Michigan. Yeah, little lady and I will be heading out to Buddy's Pizza, and I will review that. We're gonna do that here sooner than she thinks we will be. Motor City Pizza Company is still king of the Detroit style pizzas. I don't care. There's not a single one out there any better. I hope all of you that said I didn't make it right are satisfied with my preparation. It was cooked according to a preferred method. Maybe I'm just rooting for it because it's a Detroit style. But it's not even made in Detroit. Made in Buffalo Grove, Illinois. I thank you all so much for watching. I had a great time recording this. You gotta be a little goofy sometimes, right? What do you say? Oh, don't do it all the time? Okay. Till next time, I'm out.